Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to STEAM Thursday with Miss Corinne. Today we're going to do a fun experiment. We're going to do a candy experiment, and we're going to try to see if solids can dissolve in liquids. And we're going to do that. I have 3 bowls here, and I have 3 M&Ms here. So we're going to try to get the M&M to come off and float of the M&M. Okay, so you could just do 1, you could do 2, you could do however many M&Ms. You can even do this with Skittles too. So I'm just gonna fill up my water. It doesn't have to be all the way. And all of my cups. And I'm gonna gently place each M&M on top in the water, making sure the M&M is face up. Now that one sank. And it should sink. Okay, that one's in. And my blue one's in too. Now this is gonna take about anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes for the color to dissolve off the M&M. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You can see that the red is already starting to dissolve off the M&M. So I'm gonna leave my camera here. We're gonna check back in about 10 minutes and see how the progress is. All right, we'll be right back. Hi everybody, and we are back, and you may have noticed that my M&Ms are different colors. So I've had some trial and error over here while filming this experiment for you guys, that sometimes the M did not come off the M&M, and a couple times it did, but I was trying to pick it up and you weren't able to see it. So I think this time is the best time, and I realized that the best way to pick up the M&M is with a spoon and not your finger, because if you do try to scoop it up on your finger, the paper is just going to dissolve and roll up pretty quickly and you're not going to see it. Okay, so let's start with this guy. You want to move the bowl really slowly. So I have taken a scoop where the M&M is. Okay, so I'm going to put that bowl down, and I'm going to bring this up really close. Hopefully you guys could see the M&M. It's right there. Okay, so that's our first one. So I'll put that back. And I think, oh, see, this one already rolled up pretty quickly. That was an orange one. But here's a brown one, and I see the M&M very clear. So let's see if I can get that up for you guys. And again, this is a really cool experiment to see how paper dissolves in water. There it is. And it's just something fun to do and learn a little bit more about science. So thank you everybody for joining me today for our STEAM Thursday. And I will see you guys next Thursday. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye, everybody.